Okay, here we are, math geniuses. Log x equals negative 4. Well, this is log base 10 of x equals negative 4. And by definition, what we're looking for is the power, this, that the base is raised to in order to get this answer. So that means that x equals 10 to the negative 4. And indeed, 10 to the negative 4 is this number right there. Now we've got the ln of x equals 8. That means log base e of x equals 8. So by definition, x is e to the 8, which is their answer right there. You see, a logarithm really is an exponent. It's the exponent. The exponent that the base e is raised to in order to equal x. Here we go. This is going to be an interesting problem. We have log base 10 of x times x minus 9. And that equals 1. But remember the definition of a logarithm. That means that x times x minus 9 equals 10 to the 1 power. So now we've got ourselves an equation. We've got x squared minus 9x equals 10. So I'm going to pull the 10 over, and I'll have x squared minus 9x minus 10 equals 0. Now let me see if this is factorable. X and x, and let's see, yeah, negative 10 equals negative 10 times 1, and negative 10 plus 1 equals negative 9. All right, so I'll have x minus 10 times x plus 1. Set each factor equal to 0 and solve. Now, there's a problem with x equals negative 1. If I use negative 1 here, I'll have the log of negative 1. Try putting that in your calculator. You can't take the log of a negative number. Doesn't work. So, that wasn't much of a negative number there when I wrote it, but you can't, all right? So, this makes no sense. Therefore, we're going to go with x equals 10. Try to remember that. The logarithm function cannot take a negative argument. The argument is the thing that you're taking the log of. Rather complicated to say. Okay, another one of those problems. Log base 6 of x plus 8 plus log base 6 of x minus 8 is going to be log base 6 of x plus 8 times x minus 8 equals 2. So, x plus 8 times x minus 8 is going to equal 6 to the 2 power. So we're going to have x squared minus 64 equals 36. Now, I can add 64 to both sides of this equation. So I'll have x squared equals 100. And so x, well, let's not skip steps. I'll take the square root of x squared equals plus or minus the square root of 100. So x will equal plus or minus 10. But a negative 10 will make the arguments of the function equal a negative number, which is nonsensical. Therefore, we're going to go with x equals positive 10, which agrees with the answer. Okay, one more time. Log base 10 of 5x plus 1 over x minus 3 equals 1. So 5x plus 1 over x minus 3 equals 10 to the 1 power. So, multiplied through by x minus 3, I'll get 5x plus 1 equals 10 times x minus 3. So 5x plus 1 equals 10x minus 30. Come on up here. I am going to add 30 to both sides, moving it over to the left, and negative 5 to both sides, moving it over to the right. That's just my strategy. All right. So plus 30, plus 30. Over here I'll have 5x plus 31, and over here I'll have 10x. Then I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides. So 31 will equal 5x. Then I'll divide by 5 and divide by 5, so x equals 31 over 5.